Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft. Welcome, fellow survivors. Today, we're diving into the vast ocean world of Raft, a thrilling survival adventure. Whether you're on PC or PlayStation 5, the core objective remains the same: survive and expand your floating home. You'll start on a small raft with just a hook, needing to gather resources from the endless sea. Craft essential tools, build your base, and explore mysterious islands to uncover the game's secrets. Get ready for an exciting journey of discovery and survival. Playing Raft on PC offers precise control with your keyboard and mouse. Movement is handled by the familiar WASD keys, while your mouse guides the camera and aiming. Left-click is your primary action for swinging your hook or using tools, and right-click often performs a secondary function. To manage your collected items, simply press the Tab key to open your inventory. Interacting with the world, like picking up items or opening containers, is typically done with the E key. It's an intuitive setup for quick survival actions. On PlayStation 5, the DualSense controller provides an immersive way to experience Raft. You'll navigate your raft and the ocean using the left analog stick, while the right stick controls your camera view. For primary actions, like casting your hook or swinging an axe, press the R2 trigger. The L2 trigger often serves for secondary tool functions. To access your inventory and manage your gear, simply tap the touchpad. Interacting with objects in the world, such as picking up resources, is typically done by pressing the square button. As you progress, you'll want to expand your raft and capabilities. Utilize the research table to unlock dozens of new crafting recipes, from advanced tools to farming plots. Eventually, you can build engines and sails to navigate the vast ocean more efficiently. Raft truly shines in multiplayer, allowing you to team up with up to 8 friends online to build, explore, and survive together. Venture to large, mysterious islands to discover rare resources and uncover the game's compelling story, making every journey unique and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.